Whether it's for home theater, business presentations, or outdoor movies, projectors have become a must-have for many. This year, we've put together a list of the 5 best projectors you can buy, each offering an amazing viewing experience. From innovative features to incredible image quality, these projectors are sure to make your viewing experience unforgettable. So let's take a look at our top picks and find the right one for you. Number 5. JMGO O1 Pro Ultra Short Throw Projector. The JMGO O1 Pro Ultra Short Throw Projector offers a unique viewing experience that allows you to enjoy movies in a home without space limitations. It offers 1,500 ANSI lumens brightness and a 9,000:1 contrast for a decent viewing experience, and its 4K projector support technique provides an immersive, uninterrupted movie experience. It's also equipped with full autofocus keystone correction enabled by AI cameras, wall color calibration, Blu-ray 3D mode, gesture control, and eye protection system, making it an even more sophisticated plug-and-play smart projector. Plus, it comes with a pair of 10-watt speakers tuned by Donatio's chief acoustic engineer, earning dual certification from Dolby Audio and DTS HD. Number 4. CASIRIS A6 Ultra Short Throw Projector. The CASIRIS A6 Ultra Short Throw Projector is a great option for anyone looking to get an immersive home theater experience. With its advanced triple laser light optical technology and ATR10 technology, the projector offers 107% coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut and 8.3 million pixels for incredibly detailed and realistic images. Not to mention, the Dolby Atmos and DTS audio technologies make it great for sound as well. Plus, the 0.25:1 ultra short throw ratio allows you to get a 120 large picture with minimal space. All in all, the CASIRIS A6 Ultra Short Throw Projector is a great choice for anyone looking for a top-notch home theater experience. Number 3. Samsung 120, the premier Ultra Short Throw 4K Laser Projector. The latest model of the Samsung 120, the premier Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Smart Single Laser Projector for home theater is a must-have for anyone looking for the ultimate in home theater experience. This projector offers an impressive 2200 lumens of brightness, cutting-edge laser technology for 4K resolution and HDR, and a powerful 2.2-channel surround sound system. With ultra-short throw technology, the projector can be placed just inches from a wall to seamlessly blend into your space. Voice assistants, such as Alexa and Bixby, make it easy to control the projector with your voice. The powerful UHD processor and per color bring crystal-clear picture quality, while the Game Enhancer and One Remote offer a smooth gaming experience. All in all, this is a great projector for creating a home theater experience. Number 2. NexiGo Aurora PA94K Ultra Short Throw Projector. The new NexiGo Aurora PA94K Ultra Short Throw Projector offers a stunning cinematic experience with its 2500 ANSI lumens, HDR10, HLG, 3D, and 60-watt stereo speakers with Dolby Audio. The true-to-life colors and dynamic contrast make the image quality stand out, and the built-in stereo audio offers deep rumbling bass and crisp highs. The ultra-short throw technology allows you to display a 150 display from just 1.61 feet away, and the 4/8-point keystone correction helps you make micro-adjustments. Plus, the pre-installed Android TV system and 2.4 GHz. Number 1. AWOL Vision LTV 2500 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector. The AWOL Vision LTV 2500 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector is a revolutionary projector that brings the cinematic experience to your home. With 3 recent updates including Enhanced Black Level, Turbo Mode for gaming, and 24 FPS, the projector offers a stunning 150 4K movie theater experience. It features HDR10+, 3D availability, Dolby Atmos, and the most colorful and detailed ultra-short throw 4K laser projector for a controlled light environment. This projector also includes a pair of active shutter 3D glasses for an immersive 3D experience, as well as pure RGB triple lasers for vibrant colors, reduced noise, and less rainbow effects. With the Fire TV Stick 4K Max included, the AWOL Vision LTV 2500 is an unbeatable projector for an unbeatable price.